Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So, children, we are learning fractions. And now it is, please mute, okay? Please listen. We are just revising. And who is this Patrick?
Ma'am,
Patrick Ausef?
ma'am, that is Catherine.
Ma'am, it's
Excuse me,
Catherine.
ma'am.
Yes, Anthony?
Ma'am, last 22nd question. Who spends more? Madhu spends more, right?
Which you are asking me,
22nd question, last question.
yeah, who spend more? Madhu spends 7/50 of his salary and Prabhu sends his. So, Madhu spends more. Madhu has more expense.
Ma'am, did
So,
you
children,
send the notes of this? And the 22th question, did you send the notes of that?
I have sent, I know. Yes? I think I have sent. Okay, children, so I want all the children to on your camera, okay? And please listen. We are just revising what we have learned. Can you please turn on your Anina, Dia, Nandita, Chris, Joe, Ayman? Please turn the camera. Who is this, Patrick? Catherine. Okay. If you if your camera is off and your name is also different, you will not get attendance. Okay, children? I will not know you are joining in other name and camera also off. So how do I identify the children? So all the children, please try to on your camera. And if you join, you can rename and see that your name is there in the, okay. So children, we are learning 9.3 comparison of unlike fractions. Okay. So Felix, can you tell me what are like fractions? Like fractions? Yes, Felix. What are like fractions?
The numbers in the denominator will be same.
Same. Okay. The denominator, the fractions with the same denominator, they are called like fractions. So what is unlike, Amna? Amna? Unlike.
The fractions with the denominators not
Same, not same. Or we can say fractions with different denominators. Okay. Fractions with different denominators, they are unlike fractions. And we know how to compare the fraction with the same denominator. How will compare? Deva, can you say? If you know the denominators are same, you will look at the numerator. And how you can understand whether they are greater or less than?
The numerator is big.
If the numerator is big, that fraction is big. Okay, that will be the greater fraction. Okay, now in the last class we have discussed how to compare unlike fractions. In that case, we try to find out the LCM to make least common multiple, and we will make the denominators same. Why we make the denominators same? Because we know if the denominators are same, how to compare the numerators. Yes, children, this much we have discussed. Is there? You remember all this? Okay. Now, and I teach you one short method. Now look at the board here. Cross multiplication method also we can find out to check whether the fractions are greater, bigger or smaller. Okay, for example, if I know 2/3 and 1/4. How here, Anandesh? How we can make the denominator same?
By LCM.
LCM, least common multiple. Can you tell me which is the LCM? 3 and 4. 3 and 4. They are different. So we can multiply and say, yes? 3 into 4. What is 3 into 4?
12.
12. Now find out whether the LCM is 3 divided by 3 is 1. 4 we can write here. So we can make directly if it is 2, 2 into 2, 4. If you write 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 3, 12. So children, if I told you if they are relatively prime, we can just multiply and multiply to find out the LCM. Okay. Now here LCM is 12. And how can you 2 by 3 to make 12? By which number you will multiply? 3 into
4.
4.
4 3
Okay, very good. Okay. 2 into 4 is 8. 3 into 4 is 12. Okay. So 2 by 3 is equal to 8 by 12. And what about this 1 by 4? I want to make again the denominator same. 12.
3
So
by
4,
12.
we will
3
multiply by
12.
3. 3 into 1, 3. 4 into 3, 12. Now, this 3 by 12 and 1 by 4, they are equivalent. Now, you have to look the numerator. Here it is 8. Here that is 3. So, which fraction is big?
8.
8 is big. So, 8 by 12 is big and that is equal to 2 by 3. So, we can say 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4. Is that clear, children? Yes. Now, this same question I told you we can do cross multiplication. Now look here. How to cross multiply? 2 into 4 we will write here. What is 2 into 4?
8.
8. 3 into 1?
3.
3. Which is big? Here 8. This fraction, this 2 by 3 we will write on the top here 8 and 1 by 4 we will write here. When you cross multiply you will get 3 into 1 3. So which is big?
8.
8. So then also we can check 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 4. So children, we can do easy method, cross multiply and find out. So here, okay, now next, Chinmay, unmute. 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. Here these denominators are same. That means they are which fractions? Like fractions. Very good. If the denominators are same, we say these fractions are like fractions. Then it is easy for you to, if the denominators are same, it is easy for you to check which fraction is bigger. Can you look at the numerator and tell me which is big?
2 by 4.
2 by 4. So children, here we will look at the numerator and this is big. We will write it here. Now, check with the cross multiplication method. 1 into 4. 1 into 4 we will write here. What is that? 4.
4.
4, 4. Now cross multiply this 4 into 2.
8.
8. Now look at here 4 or 8. Which is big?
8.
8. So we can do this cross multiplication method. Yes, children, I am showing you easy method. How to cross multiply and check the fractions are to compare the fractions. Okay. Now here we have 3 by 5 and 1 by 5. Yes, Gautam. We will use now cross multiplication method. We know
Yes.
5 and 5, they are same. That means they are like fractions. And we know 3 is big. So 3 by 5 is the greater than 1 by 5. We know this. Yes?
Yes.
It's very easy. Now I want to show you this cross multiplication method. Okay, 3 into 5.
Okay.
Multiply 3 into 5 and
50.
write it here.
50.
3 times 5, that is
50.
equal to 15. Okay. Now 5
5.
into 1. 5 into 1.
5.
5. Now look at here 15 and here 5. So which is big?
3 by 3 by
15
5.
is big. Yes. So this is big. So children, if you use cross multiplication method, that is very easy. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, if you do cross multiplication method, we can use for unlike fraction or then we can find out easily which fraction is greater. Now I will show you this in the picture. Okay, one figure. Here, 2 by 5. Children, here 2 by 5. The same rectangle bar we can take here. So if you forget, okay, if the denominators are same, how we can compare? Here, it should be equal size. 2 by 5, and here I will take 3 by 5. So from here, anyway, we have to divide equal number, 5. So we can make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So look at here the size. Here we have 2 parts. And here, look at here, how many parts should be shaded? 3. Okay. Now look from the picture, we can understand which fraction is more or big. Which is the fraction?
3 by 5.
3 by 5. Look at the picture, children. Here we have only 2. Here we have 3. So I told you, if this is like a Kit Kat bar, and each Kit Kat is divided into same number of parts, that is 5. Here it is 2. So if you are getting same size, denominator same means denominator will be the same. If you are dividing, equal number means the denominator same means the parts are equal in size. And if you are getting 2 parts and 3 parts, clearly you can look at the picture and tell me that 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. Yes, children. So denominator same. If the denominator are same, you have to look at the numerator. Denominator same, numerator
We should compare them.
with greater numerator, which if the numerator is big, that denominator is, look at here, the numerator is big. Which numerator is big? That fraction is bigger. Yes. If the denominator same, the numerator is big, means that fraction is bigger. Understood? That you can see from the picture also. The denominator are same. Here it is 5 denominator, here also denominator 5. And look here, numerator 2, numerator 3. So if which numerator is big? 3. That fraction is bigger. Look at the picture. Okay. Now the same children, I am going to show you with the numerator same. Numerator same. Okay. So I'm going to erase this picture. Here I'm taking 2 by 3 and 2 by 4. And who can tell me what is this? Manu, what are these different denominators? What are they? Yes, Manu.
Ma'am, they are
Ma'am, can I
unlike
say-
fractions.
Unlike fractions, yes? They
Yes,
are
ma'am.
unlike, because here the fraction denominator is 3, here the denominator is 4. Now children, look at the
Denominators
picture
are
and you
not
now listen, look at the picture. Same size Kit Kat here. Same size. Okay. Here I have to divide into how many parts? 3 parts. So I'll take 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to eat how many parts from here?
2.
2 parts. Here I have to divide it into 4.
1, 2,
Okay.
3,
1, here 2,
3,
3, 4.
4.
And children, here also I'm going to eat 2 parts. And look at the picture and tell me which is bigger. Is it 2 by 3 or 2 by 4?
2 by 4.
3.
2 by
2 by
4.
3. Yes, very good. 2 by 3 is greater than 2 by 4. So children, here the meaning is, if the number in the denominator becomes big, that means we are getting small pieces. So that is smaller fraction. That is, if the denominators are same, numerator big means that fraction is big. But in the if the numerators are same but different denominators, in that case, denominator with a small number, that fraction is bigger. Understood? It is just opposite of this denominator. If the denominator same and denominators different, they are different. Look at the picture, you can understand. Here 2 by 3, that is bigger than 2 by 4. Now we can use cross multiplication method for this. 2 by 3 and 2 by 4. Okay, 2 by 3 and 2 by 4. 2 by 3 and 2 by 4. So children, numerators same. Denominator which is small, that is big. Because you have to understand what is the meaning. If the denominator is big, means we are dividing into more parts, more number of parts we are making. So that part is becoming small. Understood? Now we will do this cross multiplication method. 2 by 3 and 2 by 4. So 4 into 2, we will write it here. 2 into 4.
8.
Here we will write 3 into 2.
6.
What is 2 into 4? 8. What is 3 into 2? 6. Which is big?
8.
8. That means 2 by 3
2 by
is
3.
bigger than 2 by 4. So children, you have to tell me what is the, what you understood from here. If the denominators are same, yes Agni, tell me. If the denominators are same, look at the numerator and tell me how you can compare. If the denominators are same,
Then we should look for the
numerator.
numerator.
If the numerator is big, means
That fraction is bigger.
That fraction is bigger. Okay. So all the children, please listen. If the denominators are same denominators, look at the numerator, means we are getting that much pieces. So that is bigger. Okay. Now Agni, tell me, if the numerators are same, what you understood now from the picture?
Then which denominator is less? That is the bigger.
Okay, understood children. Look at the numerators. If the numerators are same, look at the denominator. Denominator with a small number, that is big fraction. Why? Because when we increase the number of denominator is becoming big, means we are dividing that object into small pieces. Understood?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now look here, one more example with picture. Look at one here. Here I am taking 1 by 2. Here I am going to take 1 by 4. So this I am going to take.
Fractions are equivalent.
Children, and you didn't, I didn't finish writing 1 by 4. Here I am taking only one part. I am not taking two part because I want to make the numerator here 1 by 2. Here it is 1 by 2. I am taking, listen to me. First listen to the question. Don't tell me equivalent fraction, that is over. Now I am going to show you same numerator. Same numerator, one part only I am taking this much here. Look at the picture and tell me the numerators are same. Different denominators. Isha has to tell me. All others please mute. Isha, look at the picture and tell me which fraction is bigger.
1 by 2.
Yes, 1 by 2, because this piece is big, because I am dividing only this into two parts. So that part will be bigger. Understood? Here, the same size pizza or biscuit, but I am dividing into 4 parts. So the part is small because I am getting only one piece here, here also one piece. Understood? If you have one chocolate in your hand, if somebody says, give half to your brother, you will make one small part to make it like that. So if the number of pieces means if the denominator is big, means the fraction is becoming smaller. Understood? Yes, children. Now, also we can use cross multiplication methods. Here, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Look at the picture. It is very easy. Here, look at the picture. We can see any way you will see. If I am asking, this is a pizza. You want this 1 by 2 or 1 by 4? All the children will say, ma'am, I want this piece. Because this piece is big. Yes or no, Ayman? Yes, Ayman. If I am asking you, Ayman, you want this piece, if it is a pizza, this piece you want or this piece you want, what you will say?
Ma'am, I'll say 1 by 2.
1 by 2. So children, it is very clear from the picture, this 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 4. So now look at the relation. Numerator 1, same. Denominators different. Same numerator. If same numerator, denominator, if the denominator is small, if the denominator is small, denominator small, that is big fraction. Understood?
Yes,
Now I
ma'am.
told you the same question you can do cross multiply method. Cross multiply 1 by 2 and 1 by 4.
1 by 4.
Cross multiply. Here we will write 1 into 4.
4.
Here we will write 1
1 by
into 2.
1 into 2.
So 1 into 4, 4.
4.
1 into 2, 2. So which is
2.
big? 4 is big.
4.
That means this 1 by 2 is greater. 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by
1 by
4.
4.
Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is 9.3. We are doing compare unlike fractions. These unlike fractions, if you do cross multiply, very easy. But if you want to make a like fraction, what you have to do? You have to find the LCM and multiply. Then we can compare easily. So, Angelina, can you say if the denominators are same?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you say that relation?
Yes, ma'am. The denominators are same. The numerator, which one is the biggest?
That fraction is bigger. Okay. And what about if the numerators are same?
Ma'am, which denominator is smaller, that
Small.
will be
That fraction is bigger. Okay. So, children, you understood. Now, all the children, please take out your workbook.
okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Page number 21. 21.
20.
Is it 20? Okay, 20.
Ma'am, 20. Page
20,
number
20.
20.
Page number 20.
I will ask one by one. Otherwise, children, it will not be audible. Okay. John Sebi, please take page number 20 and read question number 1.
Yes, ma'am. The fractions 4 by 6 and 7 by 15 are dash fractions.
Look at the denominator. Are they same or different?
Ma'am, different.
So what's the answer?
Ma'am, unlike.
Unlike fractions. Yes, children. Understood? So if the fractions are denominators are different, they are unlike. So option C. Brightlin, next one. Question number 2. I will write the answers on the board after reading 5 questions. 6 questions. Okay. Yes, Brightlin. Page number 21.
Ma'am, the fractions 1 by 11 and 7 by 11 are dash fractions.
Look at the
Unlike
denominator.
fractions.
Look at the
Unlike
denominators.
fractions.
I cannot hear. Say louder.
Unlike fraction.
Can you say the denominator? Look at the question and say the denominators. What are the denominators?
11.
11 and 11. If the denominators are
11 and
same,
11.
what are the fractions?
Like fractions.
Like fractions, if the denominators are same. So option children B. Option
Wait.
B. Okay, next question, Fia. Read question 3. Fia,
Okay, ma'am. Option.
the
The
fractions.
fraction 4 by 6 and 2 by 7 are dash fractions.
Look at the denominators.
They are different, so unlike fraction.
Unlike, very good, very good. Unlike fraction. Children, that also option B. Okay, Rohit, the next question. Rohit.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
question number 4.
Yes, question number 4.
2 by 6 and 1 by 3 are equal. C.
They are equivalent because children, you know 1 by 3, when you multiply it by 2 into 2 by 2, 1 by 3 will become 2 by 6. So they are equal, the equivalent fractions. Okay, Anandesh, next question. Question number 5.
Yes, ma'am. 3 by 7, 54 by dash 5 by 14.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I am checking.
Make the denominator same, or you can cross multiply.
Yes, ma'am.
7 times which number is 14? That is a very easy method. 7 into 2 is 14.
Ma'am, 3 by 7 is bigger.
3 by 7
14
is
into
bigger.
3, 42,
Option
7
B.
by
Okay, so children, that we can write it on the board. I will show you. So question number, children, I will write the answers. So if anyone have any connection problem or joined late, please check the answers. Option 1, C, we are doing page number 20 and 21 now. Question number 1, option C. Question number 2, that is 1 by 11, 7 by 11. They are like fractions, option B. Question number 3, 4 by 6 and 2 by 7, they are unlike fractions, that also option B. Now question number 4, 2 by 6 and 1 by 3, they are equivalent fractions, option C. Question number 5, Anandesh was reading. We will see 3 by 7. If anyone have any doubt, 5 by 14, we have to make equivalent fractions. So how we can make here 7 times which number is 14? 7 into 2. 3 into 2. So 3 into 2 is 6 by 14. 6 by 14 or 5 by 14, which is big? 6 by 14. So this is greater number. So option B. Or I told you, you can make a cross multiplication method. Check whether we will get the answer. How we can cross multiply? 3 by 7. 3 by 7. 5 by 14. So 14 into 3, we had to write it here. 14 times 3. 5 into 7. 5 into 7, you know directly that is 35. 14 into 3. What is 14 into 3?
42.
42. So we know 42 is bigger than 35. That's why 3 by 7 is greater. In both way, we can make. We can make by multiplying by 2. You can find the same denominator, or you can cross multiply. Okay, children. Now next one, Ayman, read question number 6.
3 by 8 and 9 by 16.
3 by 8.
And 9 by
3 by 8 and 9 by 16.
Yes, ma'am.
Which method you want, cross multiply or multiply by 2?
Ma'am, cross multiply.
Cross multiply and tell me. 16 into 16 into 3.
16 into 3, 48.
Yes. 16 into 3 is 48. Okay. 8 into 9.
72.
72. So tell me which is
9 by 16.
this is bigger. Yes. So look at the options and tell me which is
Ma'am, option A.
option A. Very good. Correct answer. So children, if
Thank you, ma'am.
some children, they don't want this method, they want to make like fractions. So what they can do, 3 by 8. Check how you can make equivalent fraction. You have to make the denominator same. 16 you have to make. So 8 times which number is 16? 8 into 2. Same number you have to multiply numerator. 3 into 2, 6. 8 into 2, 16. So which is big, 6 or 9? That also we can find out 9 by 16. That is. Okay, option A. Christo, can you read the next question? Christo? Question number 7.
Compare the fractions using greater than 5 by 6
Hmm.
and 1 by 3.
Tell me which fraction is big. You can use any method.
Ma'am,
Here,
I am
six.
calculating. I haven't.
This is very easy. No need of calculating much. 5 into 3. What is 5 into 3? Look at the board. No need to calculate there. 5 into 3.
15.
Tell me. All others be quiet, Christo. Unmute. 5 into 3.
15.
15. 6 into 1.
6.
6. So which is big? 15 or 6?
15.
15. So that is 5 by 6 greater. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now another method. Children, if you want to this method also, okay. Now look here. Another method. How you can make 6? Here I have 3. How can I make 6? By multiplying by 2. If I am doing denominator, I should do the same to numerator also. 1 into 2, 2. 2 by 6 or 5 by 6, which is big? 5 is big. Then also that is bigger. Understood? So children, here we have to write 5 by 6 is greater than 1 by 3. Question number 8 and 9 do now alone. Some children, they will wait for others to write and copy.
Ma'am, I finished.
Gautam
so can I-
finished?
Ma'am, I meant
Gautam?
finished.
Okay, I meant very.
Ma'am, can I do
let
the
me-
other questions?
Wait. Yes, Gautam. Yes, Gautam. Are you stuck? Are you there, Gautam? Yes, unmute and speak. Gautam, unmute and speak.
Ma'am, I got the 8th answer. 8th answer.
8th answer. Tell me. 1 by 5 and 3 by 10.
3 by 10.
What? Less than or greater than?
Right.
3 by 10 is bigger.
3
Yes?
by 10.
Okay.
Yes.
So children, you have to write question number 8. 1 by 5. 3 by 10. This 3 by 10 is less. So here I will show you that 2 methods again. 1 or 2 questions only I will show you. Otherwise you have to do 1 by 5 and 3 by 10. So cross multiplication method, those who want to do 1 into 10, we have to write here. 5 into 3, we have to write it here. So 1 into 10 is 10. 5 into 3 is 15.
Ma'am, we can write it on
So
the
we can
side,
do
right?
this.
Ma'am, we can write it on the side. Ma'am, that
You
one,
can,
1 into 10 and
what? So this answer is 1 by 5
ma'am, not that. Ma'am,
is less than 3 by 10. You can do in the workbook.
ma'am, so I was just writing on my rough book 10th
You
question.
can write in the rough
Ma'am, so
workbook.
ma'am, is it compulsory to write 1 by 10 on the top of the number or like that?
No. You,
Ma'am, I got the
how to
answer.
find, how you can write the answer? If you do the calculations either in the mind or in the rough book, then only you can compare. Is it less than or greater than?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I am doing with my mind.
Okay, mind that small numbers you can cross multiply. Okay, 1 into 10, that is 10. 5 into 3, 15. So 15 is bigger. That also we can do. So
Ma'am, I
if you
input
are okay. So children, I will show the other method without cross multiplication method. 1 by 5 and that is LCM method, least common method, 1 by 5. 3 by 10. Our aim is to make the denominator same. Here I have 10. Okay, Devak, tell me, how can I make equal this 5? How can I make 10? By multiplying by
Into 2.
2. Multiplying by 2. So here also I have to do 2. Yes. So this will become
2 by 10.
2 by 10. 1 into 2, 2. 5 into 2, 10. So now we can compare 2 by 10 and 3 by 10. 2 by 10 and 3 by 10. So which is big? 2 or 3?
3.
So
3.
this method also children we can make. So question number 9. Who can tell me now? Yes, Felix.
3 by 4.
3 by 4 is bigger. Yes. 2 by 8 less than 3 by 4.
3 by 4.
So children, write here question number 8. Then we can make here question number 9. 2 by 8 less than 3 by 4. Okay, question number 10. Compare 5 by 8. 5 by 8 and 3 by 4.
Ma'am, I got it.
So which is big?
3 by 4.
3 by 4
3
is
by 4.
bigger. So we can write 3 by 4, 5 by less than 3 by 4. Here children, by which number you will multiply? 2. Here also 2. So here 3 into 2 is 6. 4 into 2 is 8. Understood? So
6 by 8 is
same
bigger.
denominator. So we made like fractions, same denominator 8. Now look at the numerator 5 and 6. So 5 is less than 6.
And can I do till 16th question?
You can continue children, 11 and 12.
Okay, ma'am.
From 13, we will write the step, that LCM step. Okay. So do till 12. That 11 and from 13, it is short answer question. So we can find out the LCM, then write down.
And
So if you want to do that LCM, if it
Excuse
is
me,
correct or wrong, you can use that cross multiplication method to
ma'am,
check if
13,
it is correct or wrong.
ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, 13th onwards, I can do cross multiply and the LCM method also.
We will write in the workbook LCM method. LCM
Ma'am,
method.
from how much we will use
Till 12.
and
Children, please check. Okay, we will do together. Do. Now question number 11. We have 2 periods now. 7 by 6.
ma'am,
7 by 6 and 3 by 2. Tell me which is
3 by 2. 3 by 2.
3 by 2 is bigger. So 7 by 6 less than 3 by 2. Children, please check out your answer is correct or wrong. 7 into 2, 14. 6 into 3, 18. So 18 is big. So we can use cross multiplication method also here. Question number 12 also we can do like 4 in 4 by
Ma'am, equal.
equal. Okay, very good. So here it is 4 by 6 and 2 by 3. So when you cross multiply 4 into 3, 12, 6 into 2, 12. So they are equal.
Equal.
4 3s are 12, 6 2s are 12. Okay, now from 13, children, we will do that LCM method.
Ma'am, is it compulsory to do LCM?
Because here, children, we have to write the steps. That's why. If you cross multiply, we can find out cross multiplication in the rough book to check. If you use, children, if you use any method, no problem. But in your textbook, I find the LCM method. But in some cases, LCM That is difficult. That's why I taught you this cross multiplication method. So that is easy for you. But according to your book, we are doing that LCM method. So we can study both the methods. So which is easy, you can use that. But here, question number 13, we will write as steps we have to write. Okay, Gautam?
Okay.
So I will write the step 1 question. You can continue. Question number 13. Otherwise, you will forget how to find the LCM. 9 by 11 and question number A. 9 by 11 and 18 by 12. 22. It is 18 by 22. Now, the LCM of 11 and 12, you have to tell me. Find the LCM. LCM of 11 and
2.
least common multiple. Least common multiple. It will be, it should be the lowest number, means here it will be 11 or 22. Check. 11, 22. Here we cannot take by. So 11 is the 11 divided by 11 is 1. 22 divided by 11 is 2. So here, so 11 into 2. What is the LCM?
11.
Huh? Did you get the LCM? 22.
Ma'am, I told that 9 into 2 and 11 into 2. So
That is 9 into 2 is 18. 11 into 2 is 22. So here
So
the
it is
LCM is
equal.
2.
Equal.
So they are equal. So these children, you can write 9 by 11 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So we will get 18 by 22. So children, we can write the fractions are equivalent. So how we can write? Therefore, the step we are writing. So 1 or 2 questions, we will write the steps like this. 9 by 11 and 18 by 22, they are equal. So here, the question is 9 by 11, 80 by 22. Find out the LCM. 11 into 2, you know that is 22. So we have to multiply 9 by 11 by 2 and by 2. So 18 by 22. Therefore, 9 by 11 and 18 by 22, they are equivalent fractions. Okay, question number 13B. 18 by 36. And 12 by 16. First, find out the LCM. Least common multiple. So we will use this method together, 36 and 16. Find out the LCM and tell me.
Ma'am, I should tell the LCM.
Wait. LCM of 36 and 16, you have to find out.
Okay.
Did you get the LCM, children? Yes, tell me the LCM. 144. Yes. Yes.
144.
144. Is it correct? Huh?
Can you show A?
Can you share the screen?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, can you share the screen?
Can you show A? 13.
This is 13.
13.
They are equal. Yes.
LCM is 22. LCM is
LCM is 22. 11 into 2
and
is.
it is equal.
They are equal.
it is equal.
Here they are equivalent fractions.
Ma'am, can you show B?
So here 144. Now children, you had to check 36 into which number you will get 144. 16 into which number you will get 144. Anyway,
Can you show
common
A?
denominator, that is 144.
Excuse me, can you again show A?
What happened?
A. Ma'am, 15 was missing proper fractions.
Ma'am, please show the B.
Can you please wait? One will say A, one will say B. Wait. Now after this A, I will show again B. Wait. Finish, Anandesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now look at B.
15th and 16th questions are improper fractions.
Okay, we will do till here only. Okay, 14.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so children, you have to tell me how you can make this common denominator 144. 36 into which number? 144 is the LCM. So you have to make this. 1 minute. Let me write the question again here. 18 by 36. 18 divided by 36. And here 12 by 16. 12 by 16. And we found out that LCM is 144. That means we had to make the common denominator 144. So 36 into which number is 144?
36 into 4.
36 into 4. So the same number you have to do here, 4.
Ma'am, 12 by 16 is 24.
Okay, wait. After find out this, children.
Ma'am, 12 by 16 is bigger.
Okay, wait. Tell me 16 times which number is 144?
9.
9. So 12 into 9, 16 into 9. Now look at the denominators 144, 144. They are same. Now look at the numerator. Okay, tell me 18 into 4. What's the answer?
72.
72.
72.
Okay. 12 into 9?
108.
108. So which fraction is bigger?
12 by 16.
12 by 16.
So children, we can write the step here. Therefore,
16 is greater than 18 by 36.
first we had to write this. Therefore, 108 divided by 144, that is bigger than. Children, one or two question we had to write the steps like this. Okay. Then we can make smaller methods, that is cross.
Ma'am, we should use the symbol, right?
Huh?
Ma'am, we should use the symbol or we should write is greater than.
Greater than, no?
Or we should write the symbol.
You had to write the symbol. Look at the board. Therefore, 108 divided by 144 greater than 72 divided by 144. So, which is the fraction equivalent to 108 by 144? That is 12 by 16. So, we can write 12 by 16 is greater than 18 by 36. Like this steps.
I do with 13 and 14, those can in cross multiply method. Is there any problem?
No problem.
And
Now
so next question onwards, can I do cross multiplying?
multiplication method. Okay.
My next question onwards, can I do cross
Yes,
multiplying?
ma'am, cross
Ah.
multiply is so easy.
Easy. So question number 14, you can do cross multiplication. Do it
Ma'am,
alone.
I am doing every questions by cross multiply.
Okay, children. Now question number 14, A and B. I will give you 2 minutes. All of you please be quiet and do alone. Any method, LCM method or cross multiplication method. Find out which is greater than less than. Yes, Ayman. What's the problem? Is that you find out the answer?
Ma'am, can you show the 12 into 9 and 16 into 9 answer?
Huh?
Ma'am,
You
12.
didn't multiply.
Ma'am, I was going to do that time itself. Stop screen share.
All the children, what do you have to do now? Question number 14. After 2 minutes, I will discuss the answers.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, question number 14. A, 14A. Compare 11 by 18 and 6 by 15. So we had to cross multiply 11 into 15, find out the answer. 18 into 6, that also find out the answer, and tell me which fraction is bigger. Okay, Gautam, question number 14A. What's the answer? Which fraction is bigger?
11 by 18.
Yes, children, 11 by 18 is greater than 6 by 15. Did you get the answer?
Yes.
Okay, how many got correct answer? Okay, next one. Question number B. 12 by 28 and 12 by 27. You can do cross multiplication method, but I want to use that method first. I told you, if the numerators are same, look, Anandesh has to tell me the answer without looking at the book. Look at the numerators and denominator. That relation I teach you, in the beginning. Look at the numerators. If the numerators are same, 12 and 12.
Yes,
Tell
ma'am.
me which is greater.
12 by 27.
Very good, 12 by 27. Okay, so children, here look at the numerators. If the numerators are same, look at the denominator. Denominator with smaller number, that fraction is bigger. Yes? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Agni.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can we write LCM method?
Yes,
Ma'am.
LCM method we will write. Yes, Agni.
Ma'am, we can
Ma'am,
write those both fractions and directly write which is greater.
Yes, we can do like that. But here,
Okay.
this is like methods. That's why In your book, it is LCM method. That's why I told you one question we are doing LCM method. But I will write the LCM method. And those who are doing with the cross multiplication method, also check whether you got the same answer in both.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, in both the ways we can do. Then I'm going to write the answers. Those who finish, please check out your answers. Okay, now find out the LCM of 18 and 15. (18 and 15), find out the LCM. So LCM is equal to 90. So here 11 by 18 times which number you have to tell me so that you will get the tell me 18 times which number. Yes, Anandesh did using LCM method. Using LCM method.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me that 18 times which number you got 90?
5.
5. So 18 into 5. Here 11 into 5. So here it is 55 by 90. Yes. Okay. Next one. 6 by. Okay. Tell me next one. 6 by 15 times which number you will get 90?
Ma'am, 15 into 6.
6 into 6 and 15 into 6. So here we will get 36 divided by 90. So you have to compare 55 by 90, 36 by 90. Which fraction is bigger?
11 by 8. 55 by 90.
Okay, so we will write in the next here. Comparing the numerators, we will get 11 by 18 is greater than 6 by 15. 11 by 18. This one we are doing 14a. So those children who were doing this using cross multiplication method, find out whether you got 11 by 18 is greater than 6 by 15. Check whether your answer is correct. Yes, children, did you get 11 by 18 is greater than 6 by 15? Those who have done using cross multiplication method and using LCM method, did you get 11 by 18 greater than 6 by 15? How many got this correct answer? Yes? Okay, now do the next one. 14b.
Ma'am, that also you can do it LCM.
Yes, we can do LCM method or cross multiplication method. So question number B, 12 divided by 28. 12 divided by 27. I told you by looking at the numerator and denominator, we know before doing that 12 by 27 is greater. Because same numerator, different denominator. Denominator that is small, that is big fraction. Fia, finished? Okay. So what is the LCM of 28 and 27? 28 and 27. 28 and 27. Here if you do with 2, you will get here 1, 14. 27, you can write it here same. Again 2, 7 2s are 14, 27. Now try to do with 3, 7, 9 3s are 27. So multiply and tell me the answer. 2 into 4, 4 3s are 12. So what is the LCM? Did you get the LCM? What's LCM? Those who have done with LCM method, tell me the answer. What's the answer, LCM? Yes, Anadesh.
756.
Yes, 756. Yes, Agne. Unmute and speak.
Ma'am, if we do cross multiplying after we get 12 into 27, 28 into 12, what we should do next? We should compare them.
We have to compare. Means we have to write 12 by 27 is greater than 12 by 28. We have to write the final step like that only in both the ways. If you are
Okay,
using
ma'am.
cross multiplication method or if you are using LCM method, what you have to do? You have to write 12 by 27 is greater than 12 by 28. Compare means what? Either they will be equal or less than or greater than.
Okay, ma'am.
So children, here the LCM is 756. So you have to make this multiply by which number? Here also multiply by which number you have to do. Otherwise use the other method. Now in this question here it is very easy, cross multiplication. 12 by 28, 12 by 27. Do 12 into 27. Write the answer. 28 into 12. Write the answer.
And 12 into 27 is
12 into 27 is what?
324.
324. And 28 into 12?
336.
336.
136.
So which is big? 336 is big. So children, what we can write the step? 12 by 28 and 12 by 27. So 28 into 12. Here we had to write 336. Here 324. So what is the step we had to write? The final step is therefore.
The step by
Therefore,
step by LCM.
12 by.
Ma'am, can you show the step by LCM?
I have given you the LCM now. What is LCM? 756. So find out 28 into which number is 756. You 28 you have to multiply by 27 and 27 you have to multiply with 28. Here also you will do 28. Here also you will do 27. Here which one? 27. Here 28 by 28. So find out the answer. The final step will be 12 by 27 is greater than 12 by 28. In both the methods, when you find out the answer, you have to write the final step as 12 by 27 and 12 by 28. Okay, children, now we will wind up the class. Yes? We will continue the next question in our next class.
My 15th B is over.
Okay. We will discuss in the next class. And children, I want you to revise 9.1 and 9.2.
Yes, me, ma'am.
1 minute. Can you please listen to me? 9.1 and 9.2 revise. And Tuesday we will be having one class test on 9.1, 9.2. Yes, Gautam.
Ma'am, I finished the 15th question.
Okay, we can discuss that in our next class. Okay, children, bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.